In this video today, I'm going to show you how to change a cabin filter on a Prius. Open the glove box on the passenger side. There's this shock here. Just unplug it by pulling it outward like this. And push into the glove box door like this and pull down on both sides. Now in here, there's a white door here where you squeeze these two white tabs and pull towards you. Pull out this tray, which contains the filter. This filter is pretty dirty. Place your hand along the edge
in like
and
this,
then pull in,
and then we can just pull the filter out like this.
Filter out.
But note the direction the arrow is facing.
Take note of the direction of the arrow. See which side faces up. And then on the new filter, do the same thing. See which side faces up, and then place the filter into this tray. Take this tray and tilt it on the side. Notice there's this triangular portion. That stub, as you see there, should face in this way. So put the filter tray in the direction as you see in this video. Slide this cover in towards the two notches on the left side, and then it should snap into place. Put this glove box door back into place. Place the shock back into its place, and then push in. That's it, we are done. And now just check the glove box operation. It should come down gracefully, that's how you know it works. But yes, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.